Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world, a UNESCO World Heritage Site which draws several tourists every year and earns the government crores in revenue. But according to the Yogi Adityanath government's first state budget, the 16th century structure isn't a part of Uttar Pradesh's cultural heritage. And this move has drawn a lot of criticism from academicians. The annual budget for 2017-2018 makes no mention of Taj Mahal in the special section of Hamari Sanskritik Virasat, our cultural heritage. Chief Minister Yogi has often pointed out that the Taj Mahal built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan did not really reflect India's ancient culture. Taj Mahal was one of a string of monuments and heritage sites that was left out of the budget, triggering criticism that the exercise was actually communally inspired and bore the Hindutva stamp, while a number of schemes were announced for Hindu pilgrimage towns of Ayodhya, Varanasi, Mathura and Chitrakoot. Academicians and historians say the government should promote composite multi-faith culture of India's largest state. The identification of heritage with Hindu identity is in complete contradiction with UP's Sanji Virasat, that is, shared heritage. Others feared any neglect of Taj Mahal would hurt tourism revenue. Agra has 3 World Heritage Sites and deserved a better deal in budget. If tourism in Agra grows, circuit cities like Mathura would grow automatically, said Secretary for Tourism Guild of Agra. The budget launched Swadesh Darshan Yojana with approximately 1200 crore focusing on the Ramayan circuit in Ayodhya, Buddhist circuit in Varanasi and the Krishna circuit in Mathura. Another scheme, Prasad Yojana, with an allocation of Rs 800 crore has been proposed for development of infrastructure facilities in Ayodhya, Varanasi and Mathura. Besides that, Rs 200 crore has been earmarked for setting up of cultural centre at Varanasi. Sohan Lal Yadav, a sociology professor at Banaras Hindu University, said the state government had given more importance to the cities that fit in its agenda. The Taj Mahal is a monument of national importance and international fame. It can't be seen linking with any religion. It is a monument and no government can ignore it. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.